Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to produce in speech and practice appropriate patterns of rhythm, stress, and intonation of English language by listening to stories and poems read aloud in class. Use appropriate expressions in conversation to express regret. Articulate and practice words containing digraphs, trigraphs, and silent letters. Practice and use appropriate tone and nonverbal clues for different communicative functions. Locate or scan specific information to answer short questions. Identify paragraph as a larger, meaningful unit of expression representing unity of thought. Retell a story in a few simple sentences. Use summary skills to mark important points and develop a mind map to summarize a text. Illustrate use of pronouns learnt earlier and recognize and use I, we, they, it, etc. as subject case. Respond to and ask more WH questions. Recognize and apply capitalization to the initial letter of proper nouns, that is, names of holidays, special events, and groups. Write sentences of their own using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. Use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple paragraph by giving description of a person or object or place.